Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this Atlas blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the trailer tow package and the XLT Sport Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, that nice backup camera right there, and moving to the sides, we do have mud flaps above rear, and front wheel wells, as well as a nice gripped running board, so the likelihood of you slipping is very slim. We do have side view cameras. And moving to the front, we have that nice front view camera as well, license plate bracket, a nice block heater, 2 tow hooks, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the interior, we can see this vehicle comfortably seats up to 5 pretty nicely. We do have this nice dark slate cloth interior, plenty of door room as well, a B&O sound system which makes your music sound pretty nice, and of course we have 2 cup holders, a 12-volt outlet right there, a USB and a USB-C, and a 120-volt outlet right there. And of course, if you need a little extra storage, you can always lift this up for more storage space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are powered with the same dark slate cloth interior, plenty of door space as well. You have your parking brake, pedal adjusters, tailgate opener, and 2 blind spot detections right there. And taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 35.7 kilometers. We do have a nice leather wrap steering wheel, your toggle for your main menu there, phone and media, volume and voice, and cruise control right there. Now looking at your main menu, you do have My View, which has fuel economy, trip 1, configure My View, and so on and so forth. Trip and fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. Now looking over here, you do have that nice leather wrap gear shift, which is also collapsible, providing you with a lot of extra room. You do have a nice little phone slot here, 2 cup holders, fair bit of storage there, with the USB and a USB-C. You have your drive modes, plus rear axle lock, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, and pro trailer assist. For your drive modes, you do get normal, tow and haul, eco, and sport. And all the way to the right here, you do have slippery, deep sand and snow, and mud and ruts. And continuing to look here, we do have 2 heated front seats, dual climate, 12-volt outlet, 120-volt outlet, media controls right there, auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, hazards, and traction control. Looking at our main screen here, oh, nice song. We do have our music station here, which is Sirius XM compatible. You have your phone, navigation, your fave app, which you can set however you like, such as email, Wi-Fi, driving assist. Any apps you do have downloaded, such as Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. And we do have our settings right here, such as Sirius XM, connectivity, and so on and so forth. And features such as driving assist, zone lighting, towing, owner's manual. And right here we do have storage by just hitting that button there. And of course storage in the glove box. And we do have a nice leather wrap center console, which provides lots of room, with us being able to move side to side or take it out completely, providing you with a USB and a USB-C. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF65976, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.